Hey everyone, so I've been using the Cosori 9-in-1 air fryer, and honestly, it's become one of my favorite things in the kitchen. It's compact but still has a 6-quart capacity, so I can cook enough for 2 to 3 people without it taking up my whole counter. And with 5 fan speeds and up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it makes everything super crispy without all the oil. Fries, nuggets, veggies, they come out perfect. It's got 9 cooking functions. I've used it to bake, roast, even proof dough, and everything's been super easy. The controls are simple and the ceramic basket is non-stick and really easy to clean. I also love that there are over 100 recipes in the app, which is perfect for those nights when I have no idea what to make. If you want an air fryer that's powerful, versatile, and still fits in a small space, this one's a winner. I've been using it almost daily, and honestly, I don't miss my oven at all.
Hi guys, Jeff with Redneck and Hippie Girl here, aka Chef Jeff. Just wanted to come on here and show you our new air fryer. It's the Cosori 6-quart. Very simple to use.
Change forever. This little bacon will make you crispy, juicy, perfectly cooked food. Faster and easier with so much less oil than you could ever have imagined. Super quiet when it's running. Goes all the way up to 450. Great for salmon. It has a small footprint on your countertop, and cleanup is easy. Just toss the basket in the dishwasher, and we love it.